Hi everyone. Did you know that even mild dehydration can significantly impact your energy, focus, and mood, often without you realizing it? Today, we'll uncover 3 surprising signs that indicate you might be dehydrated and provide quick, effective ways to address them. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to recognize these signs and maintain optimal hydration throughout your day. Our first surprising sign is the onset of headaches and a general feeling of brain fog. Even a slight loss of just 1 or 2% of your body's water can cause your brain to subtly shrink, leading to discomfort and mental haziness. You might experience mental fatigue, difficulty concentrating, or a persistent sluggish feeling. The next time you feel a headache approaching, try drinking a full glass of water immediately. To prevent this, keep a reusable water bottle nearby and take small sips every 30 to 60 minutes. The second surprising indicator of dehydration is dry skin, chapped lips, and dry eyes. If your skin feels dry, tight, or flaky, it could be a clear sign that you're not consuming enough water. Similarly, persistently chapped lips and a feeling of dryness in your eyes are also common indicators. Ensure consistent water intake throughout the day and incorporate water-rich foods into your diet. A simple habit to adopt is to drink a small glass of water every time you brush your teeth. Our third crucial sign to watch for is dark or strong-smelling urine. Ideally, your urine should be a pale yellow. Anything darker, like an amber color, is a significant red flag. While moderate coffee or tea can contribute to your fluid intake, water should always be your primary source of hydration. If you notice your urine is dark, make it a priority to drink a glass of water immediately. Now, let's discuss some daily tips for staying consistently hydrated. Begin your day with a glass of water right after waking up. Utilize reminders on your phone or a dedicated app to prompt you to sip water regularly throughout the day. Incorporate more water-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and even soups into your meals. Always pay close attention to your body's early warning signs, as they are crucial indicators. Track your daily fluid intake, aiming for approximately 8 glasses of water each day for optimal health. These 3 surprising signs, headaches and brain fog, dry skin and lips, and dark urine, are key indicators of dehydration. Prioritizing hydration boosts your energy, improves your mood, and significantly contributes to your overall well-being. Share this episode with a friend and subscribe for more valuable tips on feeling your absolute best. Remember, drink up.